So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is not a technical video. This is about unboxing of a face wash which is named as Wow. So let's just get straight to the video. So here is a box and some things inside the box. So let's first unbox them. So yes, there is a bill of this. I have got this for only 329 rupees. 329 rupees only. So yes, so this is the front side of the face wash. There is a Wow branding and it comes with a brush inbuilt. Here are some other manufacturing details and some key ingredients that have been used in it. So yes, like there are some ingredients that have been used and the manufacturing with it is manufactured. The MRP mentioned there is 399 rupees. Here is mentioned that it is a foaming face wash. Yes, I have used it and I have found it very useful. It is a face wash that sucks the oil from your face and let your face be pretty much good, better than before using the face wash. So yes, it is the old side of the face wash. It is not mentioned there something anything else. So yes, let's unbox the box. So yes, here is the face wash, our main face wash with a brush inbuilt. I am not recording the video by tripod because my tripod has been broken, so no why. So yes, there is the brush which is used and in it is inbuilt. So yes, it is mentioned that it is about skin shine. So an apple cider face wash. It is made with apple cider, which is a natural product. Yes, there is a mention hint with and some ingredient and something else. So the brush is if you see the brush is not a plastic, it's a plastic, but a softer than any other thing, which will not damage your face. So yes, see, you can see that it is so soft. I can actually feel it when I am touching it, and you can see like it is being seen that it is a camera. So yes, I am using it, and you will see it doesn't have to, you have to just apply it to your face. After using it, I found it really interesting. I have done it for I have done a massage of about for 1 minute. You have also to do it and let it suck your oil, let is leave your face for 20 to 30 seconds. But the main problem I have been facing with the face wash is that the form of the face wash goes beside the brush. Just inside the box we also got the pamphlet of this telling that 40% is off and sale. So yes, not anything else. Yes, let's move forward. So yes, it is a good for your value for money as compared to other face wash in the market. It is a wow, and it is just wow, and the face wash which is really cool, and I hope that it would help you to reduce your pimples on your face. And I have also bought this for this thing only, that I have so many pimples on my face, so I thought that this will help you, really help you, as I have also bought this for this thing only. So let's try this and I will give you a detailed video after some time. So till then, tada, bye bye, and see you in my next video. Keep loving, keep supporting. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video.